Hey guys, welcome back to Art Attack Creations. I'm Christine and this is where I share my creative pursuits with you. Today I'm giving a huge shout out to my friends over at OMG Gift Services. I'll put the link in my description. OMG Gift Services is just that. They provide gift boxes for certain occasions. They're customizable and the gifts and the box itself are wonderfully put together. Check them out. They do a bang up job. OMG Gift Services provided me with this mug. Now this isn't just any old mug. This is a sublimation color changing mug. So when you pour hot water into this mug, this black will go away. What I want to find out is if I can use my Cricut Infusible ink and my mug press to create a color changing mug. That's what we're doing.
So let's do that.
So here's my infusible ink. I think I'm going to use this one right here.
Today we're going to work in the projects menu. I'm going to go ahead and select projects, and in the search menu I'm going to select mugs. Now I'm a Cricut subscriber, so I have access to the full library, and in here I found a mug that I want to work with, and we're going to go ahead and select that, take a quick peek at its customization, make sure it fits what I want, and I'm going to hit customize to put it onto my canvas. And here it is. Who's Miss Jenna? I don't know Miss Jenna. There she goes. Take her off. I've got more plans. I'm going to bring in a previous build where I made my Art Attack Creations logo, and I have that image in my upload section. So here I am. I'm going to pull it in and add it to my canvas. Whoa, she's a big one. Now I know that the mug is the size that I need because it's a project that was pre-made, so I have to rescale my logo down to the size of the mug. That won't be a problem. Just take me a second to go ahead and get it to the scale that I want. Now my secondary issue here is I don't want the owl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a shape, and I'm going to make the shape large enough to cover over top of my owl. And that's what I'm doing. Going to make it the right shape, right size, and I'm going to make sure on the right hand side I select the owl and the rectangle and I slice it. And now I can go ahead and delete all those pieces. And look at that, owl is gone. I'm going to repeat the process for the little feed your soul down in the bottom. So I resize my shape and cover it up, and go ahead and select both the shape and the thing I'm trying to remove and slice. And easy breezy, now it's gone. Okay, so now I'm just going to bring it over top my mug creation, and I'm going to do the same process. So what I want to happen here is I want the Art Attack Creations to kind of be stamped where that liquid paint is going to be like dripping down the mug, and I want it to leave behind Art Attack Creations. So I'll do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and make sure it is aligned, centered where I want it, and then I'm going to slice it. I'm going to take away everything that I sliced that I don't want to keep and see if my idea worked, and it looks like it did. It has a few little slices. Let's just get rid of those two. There it is, Art Attack Creations cut into the paint on the mug. This is going to be cool, you guys. Let's go ahead and make this. All right. I'm going to move my mug cut where I want it on my sheet. Hit continue. Now this is the important part. Infusible ink. Make sure to mirror and that your ink side is up. You can do that under the edit panel over here and just click on mirror. It's going to make it look backwards, but that's exactly what you need. Now we're ready. Quick tip for you here, it's a good idea to wear gloves when you're handling infusible ink because the natural oils on our hands can affect the ink. No, wait a second. That's the wrong weed. Go back to crafting.
Whew. Now the work is done. See, I've got it all weeded. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what the ink looks like and should look like when it gets on the mug. But it's going to be a really fun magical reveal because I'm putting it on a black mug. I don't know what it's going to look like when it comes out. That is the magic and fun of using these. They're so fun. Okay, so now we're going to stick this on my mug. Okay, we're ready. I got everything attached, so let's cook it. It's now the right temperature and in it goes. Click. And the timer's on. When these lights go all the way across, it'll beep at me, indicating that the mug is cooked. And then I have to wait. It's beeping. My mug is done. I just got to pop it open and it's released. Look at that, it's white-ish. Since this is a heat activated color change mug, if I wait until it's cool, will I even see if I got the results? I'm allowing myself to take it off early because I want to see. So here we go. It's hot. It's like it just came out of the oven, which it did. I'm just going to be very careful. This is the exciting time. That's so cool. Okay, watch it. Look at that. How cool. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. Wow. This is so impressive. Okay, so the end result I really, really like. The black result not being completely opaque, I could go give or take on that, but I mean the magic of filling it up and seeing the color change I think is worth it. So there's the answer. I think I could call this a definite success. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked what I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll continue putting these out just to keep the creativity flowing. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think. Love to hear from you guys. I'll see you next time.